asoman bribia da yeka se aban bi hye dwumade bi ase a aban foforo beba na ayedea na se de na ama entoaso abeye asem kese aman asoman aban bia to take over brofo take aban de entoaso aban de entoaso aban bia take over first line aban de entoaso tinioma pa e bia aban e ana aban bia ye no metoaso e de amamba e be wi echi no na akoka enroma na sa ebo achibidin ene suku ahodo a ene ye bia si mia ahodo dodo na president Kufu apenso ani ajibre ya hye sa dwumade wi ase se ye bekokọ mia ahodo a Ghana sukus ahodo aka nwuram Ghana sukus ahodo a ene ya to da jeje ma ye kase nya suku adan ahodo amiatim de djuma no e de na esi de na abanti a e peja structure si ho under a certain regime yenwene Ghana but yedwene yankase ho yedwene political interest e wo asemnum na e ka hodo ni sika hodo e di shim no e wontimi manfa so de bia akwaba
amai
bebe beko
ya me na dum beko
mamini ka na wase se watu sa na monwe na utimi ebe man nyina ye aba ye so Ghana inyapade ahodo e wo mmea ahodo a se ye ni anko ho a e de how kese pa ana ebebre ma mo achi ma mo akwaba specifically eye suku dan ben any suku ben ana bia ben ana wo ho nkomo na yibidi
Omanhene de ye kan Ebenezer Senior High School a owo Dansoma Ebenezer Senior High School
die ne wako hu na die ne ekoso
Omanhene say as we in school num ho say ya kase ya 2007 no man payin kofo sha ase there Olisi dormitory 2007 school ni a day school nti oye da adwene there enrollment no orukọ na anyim no ode wenya boarding facility ama maframa na wo we chichi na waba no otumanya bebi na was wetirato nti omanpen kofo share dem dormitory na ase there Olisi oman says when che school nu ho say ya kasa na oho no wada no kwao
school dan no
dormitory na baby we si dormitory na esi no
ye Ebenezer
Senior High School
Dansoma
obi a onim Dansoma bia Dansoma last stop Ebenezer Senior High School ewura school no ma dormitory na we si na oho no wadan 90 over me engineer civil engineer na me kasa no over 95% completed we paid school down no
eno ni mfuni na yi wo ye pay
ono na wori no
and President Kufu pension said
2007 12 years after President Kufu
and the engineer tells you that 99% deteriorated and I say
99 completed anka or there one mama
Sabreno and yeja wa business
say as we in school o send your school dormitory where one adwene obe was mo from community bets are or there or school ni mu ina no was or pack bets ni ina wo one dom adan kruma anka mo hian there wa pa wontuma na wa hye bets no wo adan ni mu
ba one headmaster ana suku panyimfo no bi din koma e de ne how potin
wa bre what's there wa tro nkrata den so on baby wedu numpo wan ya ho hwe ya won fa ma hona wan mama from anu nkom ono so wa kan ti say
krata na o se de na eba
what's kwa wonyem wa ya up to now
anu atro krata na
wonyem wa ya
ana sisi na won so person mo use dan na ana dan kwai
say eco school no mu ho a one visual art department ono me yare ka ho asem no o wo nanyim sendame visual art department but ono we gbe ya mo from atimo ono was resuaze ono no one painting ho but what more resuaze na mo wa ye wie na we painting ho ina no ono na wa kan wure
but the person me tia say from 2007 headmaster no any engineer say e de ne how potting tia wanting to be cause dormitory
when say e kana ma asem ya ebisa da me question na headmaster say o say there no adin we to one normal na America we to anti say
but if the engineer say it's 99% per what you're saying complete
o man e betumi
for you go
engineer
but why would the engineer say that na dan entimi kom
no yes civil engineer so your old student was school mu o old student e wo Ebenezer Senior High School pedua ana o yes civil engineer nti okọ around ko hwe dan na tibia dan no mu no no ka de nti ona ga so gina ho no oye na ho bode mpemfo abana akọ abana aba da medani oda ho siwa mbaframa wechim ansana wahwehwe hostel adam na wako school
but headmaster no unya abere busan say apart from krata or chirokoma aban mu mpanyfo ministry no ono ankasa ntimi mfa hye bia ngu akwama bia ometmetu anamon say yenko na Omanhene nso yase yenko na o students nso yase yenko na asomese no benti so na ntimi fa me wi adwuma na yenka dachi
Omanhene say awo teacher ni teacher adwuma mbra wom ansa na betu anamon bi mpo
na wonya
enya tumi bi ansa na ezi to the man nti nkrata na wa akere no tuma wapopo na nka wankasa initiative bi wotuma etu anama na wasiesie dem adani na okadame nkrata na watwere ho nti se nkrata kwa na se obia ma umuaye bia entum ntu anama bia da ezebe den ezibezi
nti headmaster ne pese o kire se mechire Ebenezer Senior High School Dansuman headmaster de pese o kire ne se anamontu ni krata watwere nyina besi sa bre ya ye kase all the mpanyinfo abetena bepeme na ye kase obi amfi no obi amfa na asem nya se
so was I asema sanche adane on kan wura mu man mamenka intasem bi
yeah
and there was share free SHS na asem
yeah
ma former bebre na wopede woko school
yeah
nti obi wo ha school ni day school nti se was obi ba the school na ofi Western region the umbrella school Ebenezer Senior High School or the mame na ofo obabo hwehwe hostel wo dansuma ho baby ansa na wetuma adem na wako school no omanfo so a wote se ye kankran na nkran so pa nti obi wo ho a ote nkran ponkataman so wo baby na wodena to Ebenezer Senior High School a debia orofo ka afi ho na waba no ono so oya asam nti enche we see the medani nyina wie ya ni nyina ka ho na oboboa ma dame anomonto wo today abofro bia benya ho masua mapa no etuma konani nti mafroma no wonam kwando na woreba obodu school no na wa abre abofro abofo ka 4 am da woreba school obodu school na bia na afin 10 am na afin abofroma wa ba school nti se eswa dame nzama na record na oma actually today say oma effective teaching and learning ya
entumi
nkodo oma ntumi nkodo nti say as we kire ehwo a say amanfo worship no wahu dey ehwo no wada no mbepo wada no kwa akase na school dan no osim school dormitory dan na nko botuma afa nipa 300
esi wokwa
enye de bed no onimu bed no wabobo ni nyina no woma nti yakada
Judy said the headmaster says what trokrata the state of the facility in sakrata no ampase wa tro na edu baby edu nyoma minu o trokrata na edu baby esese edu na enya the needed attention no and also very important
on my no oya na mo ho abum de 12 years no adeni na won si baby o dan si no say wo obi bra na wo si da me dan na 2007 na o sidam dana we wie JHS a impakunu kra oboko da school ni bi because 12 years obi awie JHS obi 12 years no we wie JHS nti se 2007 we sidam no kofo 2007 no start na ofido ankra atabai omampen John Dramani Mahama wabe ne seko nde omampen na akofo ado wodo na adan no odan sim wuram a obi anye krado bo se kwada se wado do ho pa ebe mu de bia mpemfo zen hyehyɛ bi rugu akwam a obe den obesiesie dan na mafama na adem adan no sim wuram a yare kan ho asem nde
wow yenkwa homano so na engineer Joe Fletcher yenene nkotutinko engineer mache na point saying
your call has been put on hold. Please wait.
Unfortunately,
your call has
I'm saying engineer because they work on the ideas meti me aja 2 minutes why
na me so maybe sa na why
engineer Joe Fletcher engineer Martin upon to say
yeah.
Well, engineer no pay you didn't come on am say odian bem ene anamo a wutu so efa ho.
Okay.
Na de di kan sa Ebenezer SHS na e dance man sa structure o mo jesi ho no.
Speak loudly a little bit, please.
Engineer Pacho Temeka.
Me too kan.
Me Pacho that structure na esi ho no since 2007 no.
The thing is breaking. I don't don't know what.
Quite unfortunate.
Okay. I've changed my position, so you can go on.
Engineer, the mention say Kasafa Ebenezer Senior High School Dansuman.
Yes.
There's a facility there since 2007. Bepimne. Into Juana Mombia. Now I understand say Edia na bentia bepimne. Sa structure and this is obi anfa ne sankai.
Well, I say when say what you call it? Sa boarding house or dormitory, no. For the past 12 years. And the only thing that is hindering them, government in Babasuna, septic tank, no. Because why are ready? Because almost supply beds and everything. So I don't know what is actually, stopping the government from, opening it. Because so almost it will take just 1 month. So septic tank, almost change nets, because the nets have been 12 years there. So you can imagine.
I see. So the account dine ho keke. Any septic tank asema okay.
The septic tank, the nets, and then maybe weeding around. That's all. Because beds have been supplied already. Government do not supply long time. Even beds are there. They are ready already. You see? So I don't know what is hindering the government.
But okay, septic tank asema. My other worry is that any government in frame. School ni kwan bia won betimi afaswa.
Not on there. I can't hear you properly. I don't know why.
Me say engineer, besides government intervention, no, very needful. No, school ni ono internal mechanisms bia by way of yetron krata ko say monso asitu.
By way of
say yetro letters akọ enyumeko ni ankra ho say mombe boy na emo ahiani because cemetery say 99% complete.
So almost see the government bet to me as supplier even the materials and everything. Bet to me as supervisor free because I'm an old student there and I'm an engineer.
Okay.
So government bet to me as supplier at least the materials there. Since I'm an old student, I will just volunteer to stand and make sure the proper thing is done. The materials and maybe the workmanship. And then I think the students can just come and, clean all that is left. And then we start fixing the beds.
But how much are we looking at?
You mean to construct that
exactly.
The septic tank?
Exactly.
Yes, to construct the septic tank. Recently, I constructed about 15 by 12 by 12 for somebody, and it costs about 15,000. So I'm looking at maybe 30,000 would do, because this it's a commercial thing. It's not a domestic one, and at least about 30,000. At least we can construct a very nice thing for them.
But Engineer Mami Musa, once you're an old student, now old students and kasa some idea about that.
Say that again.
They say one kasa we old students now kasa more idea about the situation.
Oh, old students. No, unless government say okay now, old students no so munye bibi. Now you better because 78-year groups no. You facelift for the gate, and that alone costs us. We are just 20. It just costs us about 125,000. You see?
I see 125,000.
Yes, for the facelift of the gate.
Wow.
Yes, old 1.25.
Exactly, billion.
Yes. You see? So if we are going to do this, and it can cost us about 30,000.
Wow.
I think it's in the right direction. And because the nets, as for the nets, they are not anything to go by in terms of price. You see? So I can stand there if the government supplies with materials and small something, then we can quickly finish it in the next 3 weeks, and then make sure connect it to the main building, and that is it.
Yeah, what put in a very simple, engineer? Why would government, in this case, the Ghana Education Service, directly under? Why would they? Because they're okay there. Is it reluctance or deliberate on their part, or the information has not gotten to them?
The change of government because it's Kufuor who started it. So when I said American, someone said this country no, how much the government pay? Now other projects as easy. You see, because it was Kufuor government who started it. You see, wow. So our politics is spoiling things for us. Well, this is it's almost completed. You have roofed the thing, you have painted it, you have even supplied debts. So what's the hindrance? Only the septic tank. I don't know if maybe contract anuska or prescabi na say or do stage B na say omobema omunuska. So manuska ni dey say on ye septic tank no. Yes, septic tank no asizi bibia.
Well, I feel no bekai who make was engineer Joe Fletcher and an electrical or a former student war Ebenezer Senior High School or Dwaso man. Na how back what on also a diabetu
we are asking the government ye power ni chopper. God say oh yeah bibia my at least over country ama government no ni party no. So ye pan chopper say on ye bibia my.
But engineer, the last time I only school no paying me headmaster ni din komo no see when was the last time on a buy mun paying for kasai.
Well, all the time no see or call ES or call ministries no. But bibia ye effective no by ending.
But is he really going to the right places and the right offices?
Well, who knows? Who knows? Because we are just old students. We are just stakeholders. You know. So at least once you are the media man, you can also help us. You do due diligence and everything. We are holding your foot, so you can also help us.
That 30,000 Ghana cedi is good to complete the project.
Yes, if you get 30,000, at least we can say, well, we have gotten something, and maybe we start informing the other old students. Maybe we can change the netting and then find some people to be, sweeping the place and tidying up, maybe fumigate the whole area. Because it's left in the bush. You could realize if your crew the other time when they came, to realize that it's been left in the bush. You see? And then it's all bushy around. So you can realize there are snakes all around. So we need to fumigate the area.
Engineer Joe Fletcher, Mamenda was it. But structure and Casano with engineering knowledge, structure no here see a baby a guniasa I for no, as
for the structure no there with my engineering knowledge. At least even if you do integrity test, I can tell you it's very firm on the ground. There are no structural defects. There are nothing. It's well built. Well built. So we don't have a problem at all with the building.
Engineer Joe Fletcher,
very solid.
Said was here. So our responsibility is to also follow up and see the entire.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Education Ministry for Nka. Okay, so Engineer Joe Fletcher, all student war, Ebenezer, SHS, or Dwaso man, and Wabeka Afwa wasem so. Here Raymond Lab is here, former PTA executive, Ebenezer, SHS, or Dwaso man. Yemusan na PTA role ben or more play to this point. Because you say PTA no so say one be say suku bia on be kwa kopiem no nyo ma bi eto to sinsi no metima hwe no makrakra kama yera labi akwaba no mate say
boko minua
former PTA executive dia na mo na motu anamutu mo penso say sa haw no dedi ka mo je sa haw no say ewo
minim say na minka no ewo pa
ewo ho
me can two issues.
Okay,
yanka say as PTA no ye embrace no as a vice president no ye to bus through the PTA levies ye my parents no ye to bus civilian bus 33 seater was still then the next project ye the CS no say 4 room block for visual arts.
Okay.
As a way of equipping the school with the requisite facilities.
Okay.
Me free vice president, so no, I say more than 3 years.
Okay.
Project no about standstill.
I did no.
Yes.
But Omanhene man just there. The me visual art done all can. I when you know. Will use school move. I know was really juma. Some didn't catch that.
I also and just a back no.
I'm kind of on when you went painting but from a woman was to
Bossy. By force use na ekosu at this point, you know, because there's limited facility. And the school no around the way, and they have picked about 2 rooms. Say almost the year like a temporary measure, because it is of visual arts. All the streams, you know, with all the necessary support classrooms. I won't say also visual arts. All the facilities, yes, start here, no. Yeah, foundation, yeah, substructure, yeah, roofing, and that was when the free came in. So at that point, you can't ask any parent to pay 25. Because those days, you know, what happens there? You write to GES. No mama approve. I say charge each student 25, maybe Ghana cedi for a year or for 3 years based on an approved project. Who do plan be come by approve yamawa. After that, you know, then they'll come and say scawa quality and our use. Why no? Then if you have not completed the project, there are issues to finish. No more additional approval. So it was a sort of system. I won't say but because the free now levies the free now virtually all the PTAs are not able to do projects.
Is the PTAs a good and I say
no, it's like a toothless bulldog.
Most
yeah, because if you talk to parents without a financial muscle now, there's nothing you can do. And the project every time, I think 2 weeks ago I called one of the treasurers, say how far with the project? See, Mr. Labi, from the time I'm free, so no project now but stand still. Until now, what is they are doing is that they are using 2 classrooms to see to some projects. Until that itself is a major thing because for the past 3 years or so, by now would have finished the visual art project.
Okay, so one more time, no more generate
yeah. Because look at big schools like Infancy Pim, Achimota, Accra Academy. They raise funds to take care of their schools. That is why the quality of education is up there. And to PTA framework is a major stakeholder. Things won't go on. And to that, Yato bus and the bus we bought is the best of bus that school has ever had.
More bus,
yeah, civilian.
Papa, the top
tier rubber. Yeah,
PTA
Sika from EcoBank.
PTA.
Yeah. Under Mr. Ayi as a chairman for the PTA and me as a vice president. We bought a civilian bus for the school. That those days, you know, Oma Jiskana, Omo you see, but Mr. Ayi bus to support, no, we bought it. And we paid it. If you go to EcoBank, then Soma branch.
And yeah, sir, a dine is 2007.
But the vice, former vice chairman for PTA there. One I do who there me a dormitory no osiwo.
It was a government project. So when government put up a project, it finances it. And what we do is to be monitoring and see what is going on. At the time, you know, every meeting, what we told ourselves that the next academic term, you know, building a commission, now girls. Because those days, you know, now some of the girls were under hostel situation around Agege area. And we felt that it was not good for building future leaders of this country. Say, in Kwaranaba school, no, they will stay outside the school. So the plan was to, so we were monitoring and following up. I think what I if I recall correctly, I heard say, septic tank now,
yeah, septic tank.
I think it's an issue of say, unse dansoma hodon, from near
Emre,
and you know, septic tank is to contain water.
Yeah.
So if the source itself is soggier, it gives a problem. And that was a major constructional problem for the contractor, which means that not ordinary funds will be used. And I'm not sure said the engineer can say 15,000. No,
30,000.
And will just shake our head and
then just attend to that.
But it's a major because U2 are not in Suba. So if you don't,
who need that expertise now?
and much money, you will not be able to do it.
So a capital intensive. It's not just the septic tank.
Because on our plans, we're almost setting say next academic term, girls remember. So parents were hopeful until we left.
Say Nsem a former PTA chairman, vice chairman, or kana. Not there. Engineer no so we see down. One shot down and due diligence, because I echo school more. Say I did school be was Asha. A Yemi school from Memi school, I'm SS, St. Mary's Boys Secondary School, or Wapon, Western Regions in China. School of Markuma was Asapa at the school. Na once I saw no Sunyana, no one sumu to them, baby. A West Dominic did not shut into the maybe suddenly. Engineer na. Osha said there all year the project no you mean that the septic tank issue no say yakade area or the assembly benti ni dey see dan insi baby ya dey sinu fan ko baby for frana. Okay,
so Yara Labi, as we speak now, the way out of the situation, because we need to use that facility. 2007 Engineer Fletcher also say structure wise everything defects so perfect. Dino is firm. Bibia defects no. So the way forward, because they are working on also 30,000. Also say
I think in terms of knowledge to deal with whatever problem the ground offers, it is there. Knowledge is there.
Okay.
So now the key thing is finance. What are the options? Government has the option to just instruct. Yes. Maybe say 50,000, 100,000, it's ready. Go and do it. The second option is to tell parents what are the options for you. Your children staying outside the school with the consequences, or you pay 25 and you save yourself.
But headmaster will be too sad. Will be you ready?
No, and that's for me. I have been on PTA since 2001 when I was even in GIG. I was heading PTA at Hot Cast, and for me, PTA is instrumental in making sure that education is at the top level.
PTA.
I'm telling you, I will challenge whoever. I'm telling you, I will challenge whoever will tell me that we should take parents out of the equation. In terms of the moral support, in terms of the financial support, there is none. And every school that I've had a chance to be part of the PTA, and you have spoken to parents, and they've risen up to the call, you will see the phenomenal things that have been done in the school. One vocational school, Hot Cast, and then one private school, Ewit, and then Ebenezer. Anytime you rally parents, let me tell you, most of the private schools, JSS, any primary schools, one scan of these schools, how many of them raise capital from the banks to put up their schools? It is the use of the PTA and talking to parents now, and a small levy here that has built a lot of the schools we have in Ghana at the private school level, JSS. So why are we not adopting the same measure at the secondary school level? Sika yetu ya tama yeko Accra Academy. Hasn't it helped the school?
But buying abuse certain opportunities and privileges.
There is an excellent system in place. You come up with a plan. We want to put up a 2 classroom block at this cost. You are given approval and a strict accounting process. Hey, me, as PTO, over this car. If you go and ask all the headmistresses I've dealt with, they fear. As a former SRC president and coordinator, you can't joke when I'm on the PTA. Yes, I know some schools who abuse PTA money. That one there is a truth. So when I'm with them, I work with the assistant, I work with the headmistress. I don't only work with the headmistress because I want to make sure all the
information is circulated.
All the people, stakeholders, I deal with them. So for me, the key issue is that we should let the PTAs support the schools. And back to Ebenezer, we can resolve this thing if we agree that we should levy parents.
Yes, if
you see the benefit as compared to not paying, we all know. So for me, this Ebenezer problem, which has been there for ages, the solution is with one, government. If government rise up to the occasion, we are done. If not, then let the parents offer something, and this problem will not be there next time.
I see. Raymond Labi, a former PT executive, Elma Dansuma, Ebenezer SHS. What is also for the various angles are amani brena bem kese ade ba ko probably my observe and pay how PT in gradually air powerless eba our system no na institution so bitimi dia bre ya disu ankasa ene suku mpuntu ya be hwesa conversation but ene Ebenezer SHS utie engineer Joe Fletcher also 30,000 but former PTA vice chair say oko former pa entimi just 30,000 tina ebia omabedu sam pempensuri nti say esa konia kwhwe bio na the first option of their mind air buying quickly say buying about access situation no na wa say obetime to anamo a ese fata na bia time ko ba won so ko field odum et say
na mizin kankan no me ne engineer no na yekoyo moko anum koto engineer no wo ho no so assessment also the student no what na we hu there say at them former PT executive kan no ma former na wo ba school ho no wo bre
yeah
ebu o some catch o de ebu abafro ba school no wa 10 o'clock nti wo hwe kwana wo ba fa do na wenya edan no ready na ma former na etum atenem ama as a chair na adesua etum akodo nti the edan mo ko ho no nkoto no ground so nti na me so me engineer ba se hwe asase na oda ho na amafo esisi dan wo da me baby a anka onupo abeka de nsu tope obemen asase obemen edan na kasa but amanfo esi dan wo nifa baby a watim na school dan na kasa so we esi no so ono so dem asase ni bia na ono so we esi sehwe fapima wazima school na wa school na gina wo 12 years a eko ehu de nifa baby kura ebu na no che de engineer no nyim adwuma na oreye no nti so so oreye dem septic tank na obotumaye say asam engineer ni kana
okay over to ourselves baba mema 180 no one share so part of the conversation make out say Fabɛwɔso dwumadie na ye dey brown na DBS roofing sheets Vitamilk and afi Franco Trading Enterprise one also so kwanso so see emphasize ankomo we yen komo na ko gina Ebenezer Senior High School and SHS I war Dansoman facility bia is on from 2007 ABC ne or per our checks 99% completed. But what is the challenge in here? Yentimi moving come. So if you know what the facility we are talking about and as our prescription for us, other matters being sure on the same issue I discuss now. Wait to me there on 0302 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562 whatever na nkoma ediwai also boy number ni be 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562 na also beka conversation with Fabɛwɔso dwumadie di Fabɛwɔso dwumadie meka obi say DBS roofing sheets Vitamilk and afi Franco Trading one aso rasi. Good morning apom to say hello. Good morning apom to say
hello. Good morning.
Morning apom to say
Bachoye now say
nyame adomboko.
Okay patron pese me ka bibi kakra.
Okay your friend me Kwabena Asante one am nene ka say
friend me pia
okay you.
Okay I think say what is going on PTA does a lot of stuff for the schools, so I think bringing it back, paying levies, PTA levies, I think they use it to build infrastructure for the schools. So I think bringing it back would do more help than what is happening right now.
Okay.
So I think say back your friend is saying PTA levy, back to the system. I think it will help a lot.
All right. But as a parent, any burden for you?
What you say?
As a parent, any burden? So I live, you know.
No, I don't think so. I don't think it is. Because even if you pay 25 Ghana cedis for a year or two, I think it's a good cause. It's helping a lot of schools, I think.
Okay. That's it. Good morning. Apom to say. Hello. Good morning. Apom to say.
Good morning.
Wadaro ma okasa fidie ntimi nkɔ for mine na edimi ni nkɔ.
Okay, sorry.
Thank you.
Yo.
Appreciate you.
Me pacho PTA no de eye niema bebre. Na me so me parents me ba wo school. But say the former PTA chairman kasa no. Some of the schools abuse their authority when they kasa omondi discuss. But I think the parents in that school, Ebenezer, they can come together as parents to contribute to help the school. Because the PTA now, it's been 50 CD or 30 CD to do this for the kids. I think it's a good cause.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Yes, that's it. Mache, apom to say. Hello, good morning. Apom to say.
Okay.
Good morning. Apom to say. Hello, good morning. Apom to say.
Hi, morning.
Abusha it you.
Namanado.
Where the one lucky. Good morning. Apom to say.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Your friend Kwabena Asante from saying.
Your friend Reverend Emisa.
Reverend Emisa, yet you.
Emisa. Omanhene.
Yes, sir.
Me old student of Ebenezer Secondary School Padua.
Okay.
Na mete is asking me I just say because of 30,000 to the project. No, me am watch them. But I think say abana ya current PTA executive no more. So more announcement by say all students in Yambra. That money is yeah. Some way announcement pa say former Ebenezer students say na say na obia even if it is one city. Just also. Well, and sunny nine year pay, but at least obia kakaka you bet me.
And the Reverend prescription is young friend all students now aja 1 city, 3 city, 10 city, 20 city.
I'm telling you, we can easily do it. Sabana yeah, because some engineer they can also all students. What is that 30,000 for a big school like Ebenezer Secondary School now because of that project Naka? We can easily do it. Well, so all the teachers said abana ya if by the end of the year now abana omupa create platform in my we can easily do it. Some of them we don't attend PT friends all student association meeting because here and I and what can be so we don't know what is going on in the school.
Okay.
But issues like this, normally we can take it up. I mean 300,000 years you can get the because of that. Let's say no domino I can't them. I mean some of these things is yes, here and I higher some of it.
Okay. Yeah, that's it for your concern, Reverend. I'm sure it's working on Besati. Do you chat to a crowd? Macha Pomti saying. Hello, Macha Pomti saying.
Adumarakwa.
Yeah, the Christus yet you.
That's fair. Manya sani swadi hu sekudie eno ani omanu ni na to no omanu that. Na yanhwe ya amanyofo ebi obedi yake sako na gap wa obegya ato akyema ho no ejo how be brain akyema no no kwase ni okonya ye paso to ye policy 20 years policy na yen fan ye se ma akyema na ba we ba wonje na the best I know how na about to papa say biblia man for ni to sanu oko go to ba the best you know how about to biblia so kwara that you want to be for yan kuya ni mu no I say you will cancel teach it's ultimate planning long-term planning yes me ya ma bro from ka ho yen planning nke pathway ba eno no be follow pathway ba eno no be follow na we dey won nti aba na sa no on say pathway ye be ye we no wanya ho faso nto ono ba beto so a ono aba no nya ho faso nti ese me ko taka de foforo ese me di policy foforo ta na be ni sa na ekyema so na say Escafo or Mayim. Escafo power, my man. They are ready to pay for their children's school fees for future. There's no Escafo saying with Tikaka. At the time, my Yakania, or Brand for let's school them to a catching. I see. We bring conferences. They say only the police here in Nano. As a Vescafoma. Called BB schools, no. Not the start of one in a year, fine called BB school. What not 5%? In Nayascafon, one abandoned Canation. Escafoma. We have 5% to every big school in this country. I'll be here at 5%. California was the Canua and a benefit. Of that, there's so many areas. Make this kind of wow. Let's not enough one also. Let's not come out. And yes, California Benyan.
All right.
Now to that,
Yabedasi.
Policy be near city. Yeah, how man that.
Yabedasi. Yabedasi. Said the other day, a passion is Yakasano pay. As a responsibility. That's the essence of Fabɛwɔso. Ye BSC the city and Onafi. Yapa no do quickly near to my court. Mamma, I Raymond Labi. Emphasizing me chat to my enough what's coming up na that one shene 180 is what's on this segment Fabɛwɔso DBS roofing sheets vitamin Canafi Franco trading for a brain You're labi enti say ya bopo ni nyina wie ye sane pono am yetimi akoya nim ne nya fa wodi no de ensusuye na de beto akoyam amai
I think solution there ya Canada government PTA, and old students. The solution lies with these three bodies. Either they combine more powers, and now they will go individually. But then I hear a big issue. Almost put their powers together. Say PTA through the parents, all students, and then government. We can resolve this because in conform core school, the real challenge is that most of the students are staying outside the campus without parental control and our guidance from the school, and this will not inure to the benefit of Ghanaians in the future. And to me didn't say government should come in immediately. Yeah, them say school administration they are musuro. I have worked with them. I know. I am to be Nsem. So as PTA we are independent and we have the power, and we are saying that government should come to their aid.
That's why we are buying so PTA quite overpowerful now. If you conference be PTA bet me stampede school no say.
No, all kinds of positive things. We are looking at results. We are looking at infrastructure. And school be a PTA new.
Yeah.
Things go the way it's a circle. My solution is that the Ministry of Education and the GES should step in immediately.
Ghana Education Service.
Ghana Education Service and resolve this issue.
Okay.
See, I've been there for too long.
All right. Ma Mengna Yera Raymond Labi Mendana Sipa na Kojoman Sabrampa. Ajawana Kofa Bae, Nano Dana Pack, and they Ayesuku. As when it did change your market, say Magana to Maconca, Yatuna JJ Mo, Odiano. It's what I then also become.
On mine say, Esha Bani Bay, or this free SHS Beno, or yeah, infrastructure development. Echo schools are who be a watch, I said the OCC dormitories amount. If so, we see classroom blocks amount. I'm going to accommodate my former Novabano. The 6 years in a year can now over 90% completed. Not there, say, or the nature. Not the project na already no okada okoye bia onfa ha obi amba.
Okay.
Nti abanumba modna na nne no chine ya onko ho na onko hwe za orokodo no ama mbafama no won mesua no etum wakwenyim. Samba ndama obobo akakwa na nso abafrawa no obokwa akotwere nso hwe no na wanfa hwe amba.
Well, Bedasi, it be seen say Fabɛwɔso Jumedi make out say a numerical DBS roofing sheets, one other Roman of a Vitamilk, Franco Trading Enterprise, one also say a Jordan new quad biana Edibisum at the Maminia Bema, Quadjo Mensa Brampa,
video now.
Fans. Come on, I saw who's a saying, because also cameraman, no, your friends say
fruit addy.
That do one friends say what you man say.
Fruit.
Oh, fruit.
Fruit adi meaning na yakwe dami na na so yare kan wa asem we radio no so ono so ana ogina ha olubu adwuma no.
Eti fruit. Cause already fruit is watermelon mo dey aka kai. Why? Wadaruma.